Hello guys, welcome to Inkesploit. Today's session is what is hacking, types of hackers, what are the skills need to learn hacking. Before that, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Let's start. What is hacking? Hacking is nothing but breaking a security or bypassing the security tools and gathering the personal data and information from a target device. Next, types of hackers. Black hat hacker, grey hat hacker, and white hat hacker. Black hat hacker. These are the criminals who intentionally break into a system and steal information or money. They are also known as crackers, and they are usually hack the device for selfish purpose. Next one, grey hat hacker. These are hackers who motivated by profit as well ethical reasons. They gain access to a person's system and figure out the loopholes and bugs and then provide a suggestion on how to improve their security. Next one, white hat hacker. These are also known as ethical hackers. They only hack device and system in order to find potential vulnerabilities and then figure out the ways to preventing those weaknesses being a exploit. These types of hackers are protecting the public data from other hackers. This is not easy task. Next, what are the skills need to learn hacking? Mid-level computer skill, networking skill, database skill, use of Linux OS, scripting skills. Let's see one by one. Mid-level computer skills. Your computer skills need to involve more than just typing and browsing on the internet. You must be able to use Windows command module effectively. Next one, networking skills. Hacking is majorly an online activity, so you need to understand the terms and concepts related to online networks such as router, ports, public and private IPs, DNS, TCP, IP, FTP, and many others. Finally, database skills. It is important that you learn and master database management system in order to understand the techniques that hackers use your database or system. Use of Linux OS. The majority of hackers use Linux operating system for hacking because unlike Mac and Windows, Linux allows to tweak program as you want. Kali Linux is the one of the best operating system for hacking because the hacking tools are pre-installed in Kali. Finally, scripting skills. Scripting means creating or coding your own tools or application. The hackers must have knowledge about scripting. For that, you need to learn scripting languages like Python and Ruby. That's all, guys.